Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Honda Ridgeline RTL. Very clean under here. I'll go ahead and put this hood down so that we can take it for a tour. This has LED light surrounds, fog lights. It also has alloy wheels. And it does have a sunroof, running boards also. It does have a tow package, backup camera, rear sliding back window, it's powered. Also has a spray liner and it also has this locking box. Let's see if it's unlocked. It is. There's deep stowage and also a tire. And it has all sorts of tie down points. Very well thought out vehicle. Okay, I'll take you for a tour of the interior. This have light gray leather interior. There's that sunroof I was telling you about. The doors are two-toned between light gray and dark gray. And here's a shot of the VIN. Okay, and there are a lot of your controls and options for lane drift sensor and such. We'll go ahead and hop in. You see that you have 12,433 miles on this vehicle. I'm going to come over here and turn this down so that it doesn't blow on the microphone. You can hear me better. You can see that you have heated seats in the front. You also have additional power and USBs up here. Cup holders, shifter, terrain selector. And as you come down here, you have additional stowage. So, your climate controls. Come up here, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth and auxiliary as well. You also have GPS in order to take a look at the backup camera. Just put it in reverse. Okay. Coming over here, you can have your push to talk, your heated steering wheel, your cruise control, and also your toggles that interact with your stereo and your trip computer and such. So this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was damage here on the top, which you can ask your salesperson about. As you can see, we've got it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.